In this video, we will show you how to renew an International Fuel Tax Agreement, or IFTA, license and decal. We protect all the confidential information that you provide to us. First, go to the website cdtfa.ca.gov and at the top, click on Login. That will take you to the Online Services portal. To renew an IFTA license or decal, you must log in with a username and password. For assistance with creating a username and password, please watch our tutorials online. On this screen, you will see a list of available tax and fee programs. In this example, we are renewing an IFTA license and decal which is under the International Fuel Tax Agreement, IFTA. Click on the File Pay and View link located here. On the CDTFA Online Services page, we will enter our username and password. Then click Login. On the portal homepage, under the Accounts tab, we will click on the IFTA License and Decal hyperlink. This will take us to the IFTA License and Decal account page. Under the Orders tab, click on the period for which you would like to renew. In our example, we will select the available period hyperlink for December 31st, 2020. This brings us to the period page. Under the I Want To section, we will click on Order IFTA Decals. This will take us to the Confirm Address page. Next, we will need to confirm the address to which the IFTA decals will be sent. If this is not the correct address, return to your IFTA license and decal account and click on the Names and Addresses tab to update your information. In this example, the address is correct, and we will continue by clicking Next. On the Inventory Options page, select the appropriate action you wish to take. Multiple options are available for selection. You may now renew existing licenses, request additional decals to add new vehicles to your fleet, and remove vehicles that have been sold or are no longer traveling interstate from your inventory, all in one transaction. You must select all options that apply to your renewal when renewing your license. Renew a license will be pre-selected. In this example, we are not requesting additional decals or removing inventory. Continue by clicking Next. This will take us to the Updates page, where you may update any inventory record by clicking the license plate hyperlink. If there is a red exclamation mark next to any vehicle listed, you are required to update the vehicle information. If you selected Request Additional Decals on the previous page, you can add the vehicle by clicking on the Add a Vehicle link at the bottom of this page. In this example, we have no updates to make for the current inventory record. Click Next to continue. The summary page will provide us with the total due for the renewal. The annual license fee is $10 and each set of decal costs $2. Please review the information you have entered. If you added or removed a vehicle from your fleet, that information would also be displayed. If you need to make any edits, click Previous until you reach the screen requiring edits. In this example, we have no edits to make. We will continue by clicking Submit. This confirmation page represents a decal renewal only. To make a payment, click Make a Payment. If you still have questions, please call our Customer Service Center at 1-800-400-7115.